Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to do a quick walkthrough of a Baldor buffer grinder and Torit VS550 dust collector combo. Basically what has happened is someone took a Torit VS550 dust collector. That is a canister collector, that's 1 horsepower. That is a cartridge filter collector with a bottom tray. And they combined it with a 1/3 horsepower Baldor grinder. Both of these are 3,600 RPM. The biggest difference being that this is a 612R and this is going to be a 623E. Again, you could use them as buffers, grinders, wire wheels, stones. There's a lot that you can put in them. Buffing wheels. They also have a built-in manometer. There's built-in timers. They're quiet running. What's really nice about these is they are 115 volt single phase. Self-contained. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.